The Committee on the Rights of the Child is a gathering of 18 experts, and what we fundamentally do is we look at the extent to which countries in the world implement and help to realize children's rights in their respective territories. So that's our main task. We try to monitor and supervise children's rights in 193 countries currently. The new optional protocol, I would call it the missing link, because so far the committee has had the opportunity to just only receive reports from states to look at the extent to which they have done positive work on the ground to help to promote children and their rights. So that was what we've been doing so far. But currently, with the coming into force of the optional protocol, we will get complaints where children included come to the committee and say, my right in relation to this provision, or my right in relation to education or health has been violated, and I haven't been able to receive any solution in my country. So that is more of an opportunity to empower children, to empower those working with and on behalf of children. It's one thing for adults to be talking about what the priorities and the needs and the rights of children should be, but it's a completely different thing where children themselves say, this is what we want, this should be our rights, and they need to be respected. And when they're not respected and when they are violated, so that children come forward and say, my right in relation to this issue has been violated. So I haven't been able to secure any solutions in my country. The process works in such a way. First, the country where that child is from needs to accept this document and have it as a binding document where the country says, I will do all the things that are provided in this document. So that acceptance is extremely important. Once that has happened, the violations or the alleged violations that we're talking about, you first have to explore options to find solutions in your country. The committee is not going to be the first body that will try to recommend or give solutions to your problems or to the violations. So you need to try and find a solution in the country. And it's in the circumstance where you haven't been able to find a solution in the country that you will be able to approach the committee and allege some violations of your rights. And on the basis of those violations, there are a number of criteria that the committee will look at. But if the alleged violations fulfill those criteria, then the committee will sit down, get information from different corners, including the children themselves, and try to recommend a solution that the state party, the country, will have to comply with.